Okay guys, this is a quick tutorial to learn how to synchronize an Airtable database with wpDataTables. So first of all, we're gonna install the plugin. So go to your WordPress dashboard, then add plugin, upload plugin, choose file, and now we're gonna look for the file that we're gonna install. So in this case it's this one. Install it, just wait for it, and then you can activate it. Now the plugin is activated, so right now we're gonna create an Airtable access token. For this you're gonna go to Airtable, you're gonna click on your icon, then Builder Hub, and finally Personal Access Token. Here we're gonna create a new one, for example test wpDataTables. Then you're gonna add the scoops, this one and this one. And now for the access you have two options. First, you can add all the resources, so all your table, or you can only add the database that you're gonna use. So it depends on you. So in this case I'm gonna use just the one that I wanna use. It's this one, and then I'm gonna create it. I'm gonna copy the token, done. Then come back to the WordPress dashboard, and now we're gonna look for the wpDataTables plugin. Here it is. We're gonna create a new table, and here we're gonna create a data table linked to an existing data source. So here we're gonna select Airtable, then we're gonna paste our token that we just created, and then we're gonna select the base, the table, and the view. Well, the base, if you grant access to all your bases, so you need to select the one that you want to use here. In this case I just have one because I added only one. Then the table, I'm gonna use this one, and then the view, I prepared this view, and that's all. We're gonna save changes, we're gonna wait, and now here it is, your table. So in this case I'm gonna customize the view. I'm gonna click here. I wanna see the name, the expert, not the price, the picture, yes, the training center, yes, and that's gonna be all. The expert, yes. Save. And now we're gonna add it. Oh, okay, let's save changes first. And now we're gonna add it to our pages. So we're gonna copy this shortcut. We're gonna go to pages. Let's create a new one. We're gonna call it Airtable to wpDataTables. And now you can paste it whatever you want. For example, here. And that's all. But we just noticed that there's a problem here with the photos. So we're gonna go back here to the wpDataTable settings. We're gonna click on settings, data, and then we're gonna put image, not URL, just image. Save again, Okay, now we're gonna come back to our page, and now here they are. Okay, so now we have the pictures, the expert, the training center, and the course name. So this is basically what you need to do to paste an Airtable to your WordPress using wpDataTables. Then you just need to customize your site, so make it beautiful. But this is how you can make it with our plugin and wpDataTables. So I hope you like this tutorial, and if you have any comments or any questions, don't hesitate, just write it down, and we're gonna come back to help you out. Thank you, and see you soon.